In this lesson, we'll be exploring how you can use ChatGPT to teach you skills that you didn't have before. So we're going to ask for a step-by-step tutorial. How do I use the pivot table in Microsoft Excel? ChatGPT wrote a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the pivot table in Microsoft Excel in these 10 steps. From opening Microsoft Excel, ensuring that our data is properly formatted as a table, to once the data is in a table, click anywhere inside and then click on Insert. From the Insert tab, select Pivot Table, create the pivot table, so on and so forth. Let's say you don't have a specific question you want to ask, but you just need some help. ChatGPT can also assist you there. What are the best tips for using Photoshop for photo editing? Great. Here we got 9 tips for using Photoshop for photo editing. Let's say I just don't understand smart objects and I want ChatGPT to expand a little bit about that. Can you expand on smart objects? I need some clarification. Awesome. So I needed some clarification on smart objects, and here we have this extensive breakdown on what is a smart object, the benefits, how to create them, how to edit them, how to apply filters, and so on and so forth. Just as a different example, let's say I am a music producer using Ableton and I keep hearing some latency, some delay when I'm playing. I hear a delay in my headphones while recording vocals in Ableton Live. How do I get rid of the latency? Latency is a recording term that means that there can be a delay from when you make a sound to when you hear the sound back. So that was a specific problem that we were having, and here we go with some ways to fix that problem. Because I happen to be an expert in Ableton Live, I can tell that this is factually accurate and that these are good ways to reduce the latency or delay effect when you're recording. So let's say you don't have a specific problem that you're working with, but you just want to improve your workflow or your knowledge of a specific software. You can ask ChatGPT to help. What are the most important keyboard shortcuts I should know for After Effects? Adobe After Effects is a video editing software. And here we have it, a list of keyboard shortcuts for Adobe After Effects. Now, as a completely different example, give me 3 plugins for Adobe Premiere that would allow me to create more interesting looking videos. Fascinating. I'll definitely have to look into these. These were just some specific examples, but I just want you to understand how you can ask ChatGPT for step-by-step guides, for solving specific problems, and so much more.